Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at securing up to $5 million in funding for your construction business. The South African construction industry, while brimming with potential, often faces significant financial hurdles. Securing adequate funding is crucial for growth, project execution, and overall sustainability. If you're a construction business owner looking to scale or manage operational costs, accessing up to $5 million in funding can be a game changer. This guide outlines the various funding avenues available, the requirements, and tips for maximizing your chances of success. Understanding your funding needs. Before diving into funding applications, clearly define your financial needs. This includes working capital, covering day-to-day operational expenses like materials, labor, and equipment rentals. Equipment purchases, investing in heavy machinery, tools, and vehicles. Project financing, funding specific construction projects, including pre-financing and progress payments. Expansion and growth, expanding your service offerings, hiring more staff, or opening new branches. Debt consolidation, refinancing existing debt to improve cash flow. A detailed business plan and financial projections are essential for demonstrating your funding needs and repayment capacity. Funding options for construction businesses. Traditional bank loans. Banks offer various loan products, including term loans, overdrafts, and asset finance. Requirements: strong credit history, business and personal. Detailed business plan and financial statements. Collateral, property, equipment, or other assets. Proof of consistent revenue and profitability. Registration with the NHBRC. Pros: competitive interest rates, structured repayment terms. Cons: stringent eligibility criteria, lengthy application process. Government funding and development finance institutions, DFIs. Organizations like the Small Enterprise Finance Agency, SEFR, the Industrial Development Corporation, IDC, and the National Empowerment Fund, NEF, offer specialized funding for SMEs in the construction sector. Requirements: compliance with specific DFI mandates, e.g., job creation, Black economic empowerment. Detailed project proposals and feasibility studies. Proof of technical expertise and experience. Registration with the CSD. Pros: lower interest rates, longer repayment terms, potential for grant funding. Cons: complex application processes, stringent eligibility criteria, potential delays. Invoice financing and factoring. This option allows you to access funds based on your outstanding invoices. Factoring involves selling your invoices to a third party at a discount, while invoice financing uses invoices as collateral for a loan. Requirements: creditworthy clients with a history of timely payments. Clear and accurate invoices. Established business operation. Pros: quick access to cash flow, improved working capital management. Cons: higher fees compared to traditional loans, potential impact on client relationships. Equipment financing and leasing. This option allows you to acquire essential equipment without a large upfront investment. Leasing offers the option to rent equipment for a specific period, while financing allows you to purchase equipment through installment payments. Requirements: business registration. Proof of income. Details of the equipment being financed. Pros: preserves working capital, access to updated equipment. Cons: higher overall cost compared to outright purchase, potential restrictions on equipment usage. Private equity and venture capital. These funding sources involve selling a portion of your business equity in exchange for investment. Suitable for high-growth potential businesses with innovative solutions or technologies. Requirements: strong business model and growth potential. Proven track record and experienced management team. Clear exit strategy for investors. Pros: access to significant capital, strategic partnerships, and mentorship. Cons: loss of equity and control, stringent due diligence process. Securing up to $5 million in funding for your construction business is within reach. By understanding the diverse funding options available and diligently preparing your application, you can unlock the capital necessary for growth and project success. Don't let financial constraints hinder your potential. Take the first step today. Click the link in the description below to access this invaluable resource and begin your application process now. Your construction business's next phase of growth starts here.